What sacrifices would you say you've had to make to progress as a DJ?
Um, Relationships, definitely. Probably financial stability to begin with. I was quite fortunate that in my early 20s, I was still able to be at home, still like paying my way, but I didn't have like the full responsibility of like a mortgage or like full rent and that. So I did have a little bit of a safety net, but I was still obviously paying bills and not earning what I would like to have been earning at that particular point. So yeah, financial stability. I guess also yeah, like I said, just with friends, just like missing birthdays and weddings and other things like that. Like my mates want to go out on a Saturday night, I can't go out on a Saturday night. I've got to drive to Birmingham and DJ. My friends getting married, or my mates want to go on holiday. I can't go on holiday because I've got these bookings overseas. And that's like the self-employed life. If you take time off, it's unpaid holiday and you're going to lose out. It's not the same as like taking unpaid leave in a 9 to 5. I'm actively losing out on work, so I'm double down what that person would be. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I think those are things I have to sacrifice. And again, like I said, it just got to a point where I feel like I was starting to like sacrifice health as well. It just wasn't fun for a while. Waking up with like zero sleep and going and doing 3 gigs.